Welcome everybody to today's Easy Path English video. Today I have something in mind. I have a place I want to take you to up in the mountains. So I have a destination in mind. This means I have an idea about some place I want to take you. Today's video is just going to be the first part of a two-part video. Today we will drive up to the mountains, take a look around, and there are some cool surprises up there for you to see. And I'll show you the trailhead, the beginning of a hike we will take for the next video. So I look forward to having you with me as my companions on this journey today as we take a walk, practice some English, and hopefully have some fun. Come on, hop in, join. We have to drive slowly because the road is windy, goes like this, it winds back and forth. So we have to drive slowly and carefully. We're driving slow. It's a beautiful day today, and hopefully we'll see some interesting things. Some good views, maybe some animals, some birds. We have to keep our eyes on the road. Let's remember that phrase, to keep our eyes on the road. That means to always be looking straight ahead, watching the road, not looking to the side to see the view, which is something I would really like to do. I would like to look to the side, but I can't. I've got to watch the road. We stopped in a turnout at the side of the road. A turnout is a place where we can stop the car and park the car for a little bit to get a view. So we're in a turnout right now on the side of the road. Let's take a look at the view from this turnout. Follow me. Come with me. So here's the view from the turnout. Right now we are looking down over the San Gabriel Valley and the city of Arcadia. That building you see ahead of us is the Santa Anita racetrack where they race horses. So this is called a view, or sometimes a vista point. When you're driving up in the mountains, it's important to keep both hands on the wheel. You will hear people say this, keep both hands on the wheel. And do you remember the other thing I taught you earlier? And that is to keep your eyes on the road. Both hands on the wheel and both eyes on the road. I'll get us there safely, folks. Don't worry. Don't be scared. I hope nobody's getting car sick in the back with me as I drive up this mountain road. Soon we'll stop and see if we can get another view. So hang on, hold tight. Woohoo! We're up in the mountains. We pulled into another turnout, and there's a fantastic view up here from this turnout of the mountains behind us. And from where I'm at, I can look down into a canyon. A canyon is like this, a V in the mountains, where there's water at the bottom. Come take a look, and you can see the view of the canyon. Really nice, really beautiful. Okay guys, we're gonna hop back in the car and start again. We have to keep our eyes on the road. We made it to our destination. When I say we made it, that means we arrived. We came to the place that we wanted to. The destination was our final goal. It was the place we had in mind. When we have something in mind, this is a thing we are planning. So I planned to take us here to this place in the mountains called Chantry, flat, recreation, area. Chantry Flat is just the name of the place. Recreation area means a place where you can have fun and enjoy yourself, where you can enjoy nature. So let's spend a little time, now that we made it to the place I had in mind to take you today, and let's enjoy nature. We're in the Chantry Flat picnic area right now, which is part of the recreation area, and we're going to walk up some steps. We're going to walk up steps to a picnic table where we can have some lunch, have a little food to eat, because we worked up an appetite doing all that driving and sightseeing. We were sightseeing on our way up the mountains. Okay, so let's go up the stairs to the picnic table. Come on. Good work climbing those steps, everyone. We made it to a picnic table where I am now sitting. A picnic table is a table in a park or in the mountains where you can have lunch or a snack. So I'm sitting at a picnic table now in the picnic area of Chantry Flat, and I'm going to have a little snack that I brought with me in this container. So if you brought some snacks with you, come have a seat and enjoy the view. Listen to the bird chirping, or is it a squirrel? Let's listen for a moment. Do you hear that chirping? There are other bird sounds too, including woodpeckers nearby. And we'll try to show you some woodpeckers in a little bit, a type of bird. But right now, you're probably hungry after all that driving and stair climbing. So let's have a little snack and relax for a little bit. Let's take a look around the picnic area. We'll get a slow panoramic view of the picnic area where we can see trees, stairs, other picnic tables. After I finished my lunch, I took a little walk over to see the donkeys. Here at Chantry Flats, they have donkeys that they use to carry supplies to cabins in the mountains. So let's say hello to our friends, the donkeys here at Chantry Flats. Take a look. Hi guys, how are you doing today? Sometimes they will sing for us, and it's really quite fun, but they're not doing it now. Is anyone in the mood to sing? No? I guess they're not in the right mood. Hopefully later they will come do some wonderful singing for us. It's really fun to listen to. I'm petting one of my friends here on the ear. Oh, I guess she didn't like that, so oh well. We'll see you later on. Maybe someone else will come to get petted. Let me see. How about over here? Okay, I just don't want you to bite my fingers. I don't have a snack for you today. with a little encouragement, I was able to convince the donkeys to sing for us. So let's all pay attention and listen to the donkeys as they perform for us, because they were so kind to do so. So far, we've taken a drive up the mountains. We had lunch at a picnic table, and then we visited with some donkeys. The next thing, of course, to do is to go on a hike if you're in the mountains. To go on a hike means to take a walk in nature or some natural area. A hike means to walk using our legs on a trail in the mountains, and a trail is a path, a place where you walk. Just like the name of this channel, Easy Path English. So today we're going to take a path, though it's more of an intermediate path, down into the mountains. We'll just walk a short distance so that we keep it easy, okay? And the name of this trail, look, it says right here, it's the Gabrielino National Recreation Trail. Trail means path. Let's take a short walk. Thanks everyone for joining me on today's adventure. Remember, there's still more to come. There's a second half to this video that I will post hopefully within another week, where we will take a hike into a canyon into the mountains. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and leave comments and suggestions so I can help you learn English as easily as possible. See you all soon.